Hi everybody, this is Justice Lifestyle, and this is a continuation of my series on building apps for beginners. Now I'm just gonna jump right in from where we stopped last. We have already talked about the plank and the plank twist. Now I've gone to side kicks. Now side kicks are effective because they push and stretch your abdominal muscles. So don't forget that you can use a bottle where you spread your legs apart. You can play with the bottle. It knee touch, your elbows and your knees to touch each other. It's very effective to twist the two sides of the muscles. That should give you a complete six packs looks. That is how you get a complete six packs looks. You make your muscles look more matured. So that's how it is now. So after that, we're gonna go. But once again, all of this routine can still be done in the gym. So I can show you how you could do it in the gym of more of my videos. So just keep watching. But these are basic house routine. Now there's laser squats, stretches your abdomen. You don't put this is just for abdomen. This is the only way you can use push-ups to affect your abs muscles. So this is very effective and it's not that stressful. You need to do this because planks, it have combined the strength of planks, the stress of planks, the strain of planks. Then as it with the strain you're putting on your waist to bend your muscles. Remember, you're using your waist to go down. So that's it. So if you could do all of this routine, I can guarantee you that your body will be in perfect shape in no time, especially your abdominal muscles. Everything will be so tight and it'll be so difficult for you to lose it, but you still have to work on your diet. Your diet is also very important for you when it comes to this. So just keep working on it. You have to add all of this exercise, even if it's just 10 reps each. If you're just doing a marathon, that's very nice, that's very good. But add it to your daily scheduling, you understand? So thank you for watching Justice Lifestyle. It means a lot to me that you clicked on my channel. Have a nice day, have a nice workout journey. Thank you.